Looking for a fabric softener that cares for your clothes, your health, and the environment? Let me introduce Atomy Fabric Softener and Detergent. Atomy Fabric Softener is made from safe, plant-based ingredients like palm and cotton extracts. It's hypoallergenic and has been dermatologically tested. Its long-lasting fragrance keeps your clothes smelling fresh all day, thanks to OM's technology. Optimal microsolubilization technology helps the fragrance penetrate deeply into the fabric, making it last longer. Atomy Fabric Detergent is another fantastic option. It uses natural soda ash and plant-based surfactants like coconut and sugarcane extracts, keeping your laundry clean without harmful residue. Both products are eco-friendly, economical, and safe for your family. They are free from harmful chemicals like phosphates, parabens, and allergens. Make the switch to Atomy Fabric Softener and Detergent for clean laundry, better health, and a cleaner planet.
What kind of detergent do you use? Spilling, flying, a pain. Using detergents is not supposed to be such a pain. Get rid of it with just one sheet. There's something special about the simple and powerful Atomy Sheet Laundry Detergent. One sheet at a time. Simply use only half sheet for smaller capacity, efficient new concept of sheet detergent. With the powerful cleaning power of super concentrated neutral detergent, it finds and breaks down various contaminants and stains. Wait, shall we check if the Atomy Sheet Laundry Detergent melts well in cold water? Wow! From spot removal to fragrant fiber care and whitening all at once. Atomy Sheet Laundry Detergent is so convenient. Allergen-free fragrance. Eco-friendly detergent made with water-soluble plant extracts. The simplicity and strength of this new paper detergent is not a choice, but a necessity to improve the quality of life. Super concentrated neutral detergent. Atomy Sheet Laundry Detergent.